snowflake.
Oh, God.
Stop now.
Don't stop
Let's
now.
work this. Unbelievable great. Oh, this is going up. Oh, no. You're going to be, you have your 15 minutes of fame that's coming. On my wall through YouTube.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, serious, sweetheart. Now what are you putting on here?
Just the glitter.
Oh, okay.
Should have let it dry a little bit more, but you know, you get the gist of it.
Yeah.
That way that gives you a little snowflakey. There you go. Didn't lie, did it?